A U.S. Department of Justice request for an impartial investigation into the demise of the once famous cryptocurrency exchange has been met with opposition by FTX, which claims to be already conducting a thorough investigation that includes Sam Bankman-family. Friday late on Wednesday, FTX asserted in a court document filed in Wilmington, Delaware, that the DOJ's planned study would simply increase the expense and duration of its bankruptcy case. FTX recognized fraud, dishonesty, incompetence, misconduct, mismanagement, and irregularity in its prior actions, but asserted that its new management, creditors, and law enforcement authorities are already looking into its prior crimes. Today's video is about FTX opposes new bankruptcy investigation as it probes Bankman-Fried connections. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So, watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. FTX asked U.S. bankruptcy judge John Dorsey, who was supervising its Chapter 11 proceedings, to assist it in obtaining documents from Bankman-Fried, members of his family, and other insiders with knowledge about FTX transactions that used misappropriated and stolen funds. This was done as part of its own investigation. It claimed that among these deals was a $16.7 million purchase of Bahamian real estate made in the daughter Bankman named Fried's and that of her parents, Joseph Bankman and Barbara Fried. FTX is also interested in learning more about the political contributions made by Barbara Fried's Mind the Gap Political Action Committee and Sam Bankman-Fried and his brother Gabriel Bankman Advocacy Fried's group, Guarding Against Pandemics. The multi-million-dollar Washington, D.C., headquarters of Mind the Gap, according to FTX, was acquired with money that was not legally theirs. It was impossible to get in touch with Bankman-Fried and his family right away for remark. If you are still watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, as that motivates us to bring more videos like this for you. When FTX, previously one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, filed for bankruptcy in November, it sent shockwaves through the industry and put an estimated 9 million consumers and other investors at risk of massive losses. A bipartisan group of U.S. senators supported the request for an independent probe into the company's collapse made by the U.S. Department of Justice's bankruptcy watchdog. Examiners in those two instances spent a combined $150 million and offered little advantages to creditors, according to FTX's new CEO John Ray, who worked with them while guiding Enron Corporation and Residential Capital through bankruptcy. The corporation and FTX's official committee of creditors opposed the appointment of an examiner. FTX also submitted a new list of creditors to the bankruptcy court on Wednesday night, revealing that it owes money to financial regulators, U.S., Japanese, and Swiss government organizations, as well as businesses including Airbnb Incorporated and cryptocurrency behemoth Binance. A request for comment was not immediately answered by Airbnb or Binance. The updated list of creditors includes the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, IRS, and the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, of the U.S. Treasury. It did not provide information on the type or sum of money outstanding. The 116-page dossier also included a list of Japan's FSA regulator and the Swiss markets watchdog FINMA. According to a FINMA representative, the organization was unable to explain how or why it ended up on the list of creditors. The representative further stated that the watchdog was not a client of FTX and had not utilized any of its systems. The IRS and FinCEN declined to comment. After-hours contact with Japan's FSA did not immediately elicit a response for comment. According to FTX, it owed its 50 largest debtors close to $3.1 billion as of last year. In January, Dorsey gave FTX permission to keep the identities of 9 million of its individual clients a secret for 3 months. Sam Bankman-Fried has entered a not guilty plea to fraud charges after being accused of stealing billions of dollars from FTX customers to settle debts accrued by his crypto-focused hedge fund. His trial is slated to begin in October. Share your thoughts in the comment section below to let us know. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay fit in health and wealth.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.